Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this section we have to scroll to find the display. Now let's scroll down to localize the sleep option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is available in this device, and it is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes, so just tap on it. And after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.